Artificial intelligence, or AI, is essentially the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It enables computers to learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think of it as teaching a computer to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even understand language. AI is everywhere in our daily lives, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on Netflix and Spotify. It uses algorithms and vast amounts of data to improve its performance over time. For example, when you search for something online, AI analyzes your query and provides the most relevant results based on previous searches and user behavior. Moreover, AI can be categorized into two types: narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, and general AI, which aims to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. While we're still working towards general AI, narrow AI is already transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. In essence, AI is a powerful tool that enhances our capabilities, making our lives easier and more efficient. Understanding AI is crucial for the future as it will continue to shape the world we live in.